welcome to Simply Scrapping. Narelle here, and today this layout I'm doing is for Baby Got Scraps. So I have a lot of scraps here. I've got pattern paper scraps, this big pile of pattern paper scraps, and then I've got a heap of plain cardstock scraps, and I've already got my white cardstock on my base of yellow. And the photo I'm doing is of New Year's. Now I know it's not a very exciting photo, but we always have grown up with the little plastic popper things you pull the string and the streamers and stuff came out. Well, I think obviously they've changed them to be more environmentally friendly now. I don't know what's more environmentally friendly than paper string, but now they've got little foily square bits in it, so we didn't know that. My son bought them and we were all ready come midnight to pull the string and pop them, and then, oh, is that all it is? It's like, where's the string that you used to pile up and put on someone's head and string around everything? It was so much fun. But now it was like a complete disappointment. So I had to snap a photo, and this story is going to be about how things change, sometimes not for the better, and they didn't make the loud sort of bang they used to, and it just wasn't the same. So anyway, that's my story. That's why it's probably a really weird photo if people go through my album and think, why are you scrapping wood boards with bits of tinsel on them? Like, but that's the story behind it. Other things I'm using is star dies. I'm going to cut out a heap of stars from the plain cardstock. I've also got various embellishments here from Uniquely Creative, and I believe it's Written in the Stars collection. So some of these might land on the page, some might not. And my heading is chipboard stickers from that same Uniquely Creative collection. And it's going to say, whoops, New Year Fun, because I didn't have enough Y's to have Happy New Year. So I had to change my title. But that is what I'm doing. I've also got some bling because I need a sparkly bling. Yeah, and what I'm going to do now is cut out a heap of stars. I'm not going to make you sit through watching me cutting them out because that's really boring. And once I've cut the stars out and I'm ready to put the page together, I'll be back. Okay, there is my completed layout, and I think it turned out really great. I cut out way too many stars. I just kept cutting and cutting. So these will now go in my little container of leftovers, and I've got stars to last for days. And I love the strips of paper at the behind the photo, and I have so many more strips cut up that I didn't use. They go a surprising long way, so you can get heaps of layouts out of your scraps. And yeah, I'm really pleased with how that turned out. So that is my layout for Baby Got Scraps. Make sure you check out the playlist below for everyone else who is playing along. If you have liked this layout and this video, please give it the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing and hitting that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Until then, have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.